In this video, we're going to show you how to hang your bear bag using the LoopAlien Abductor bear bag toggle. You may notice that we're not in the shop like normal. We're here in Upstead State Park in beautiful Raleigh, North Carolina.
What you'll need is a loaded bear bag, 50 feet of Zing-It, a weighted rucksack, the LoopAlien Abductor bear bag toggle, and your mini carabiner.
To attach the toggle, you'll feed the Zing-It through the hole so the end of the cord is hanging down under the cleat.
At the opposite end of the Zing-It, you're going to put an overhand knot on a Bight. This is how you'll attach the rucksack and the bear bag.
We recommend girth hitching the Zing-It to the carabiner for added security and making sure everything remains stable.
Use your carabiner to clip the rucksack to the cord.
This is the most important step. You want to make sure your bear bag is at least 15 feet high and 6 feet away from the trunk of the tree to be sure your food is safe.
After detaching the rucksack, clip your bear bag into the carabiner while also capturing the line.
Hoist your bear bag up to the branch. You can use the abductor to give you something to pull on.
After locating the toggle, you'll want to push the abductor as high as you can reach.
Wrap the standing end of the Zing-It into both sides of the cleat.
Slowly allow the toggle to ascend toward the carabiner until they meet. This will suspend the bear bag in the right position.
Proper bear bag hanging will save your food from an unfortunate demise. Check out our bear bag kit for all of the contents from this video, and check out LoopAlien for more backpacking hardware.